All right, this is our room, 1608, and we are going in, and as soon as you walk in, you get to the little makeup area is what I would call it, or extra get ready place, you know, brush your teeth, stuff like that. There's some towels, the hair dryer's down there. You've got a very large hand wash instead of the little tiny ones that they put on there. They've got these. How do you turn the lights on? Let's see. Hold on. So, sink, basic. Here's another. Oh, there's a very large lotion. That's kind of interesting. So used to the small little travel size. Got a makeup mirror that is lighted. Let's see. And very bright. And then you've got this mirror here. And then you turn, you go this way, and it's just literally just a small, tiny little, but adequate bathroom, shower. It's got some wear and tear on it. It's a little older. But, you know, if you're just coming to hang out at the parks, it's just fine. And then you have the body wash, conditioner, and shampoo here. I'm not familiar with that brand. Got what looks like a pool umbrella. And then you go in here and you've got a little table here. Let's see. On this side, you've just got your lamp and your bedside table with a drawer. Let's see. There's a closet on this side with
a room safe.
Iron, safe, just storage, some hangers, not many. So if you want to hang up your clothes, you might want to bring your own hangers because there's not many. You could probably ask for more, but...
And the most important thing, I've been out on the balcony.
Yeah?
And there's no one in the hot tub.
Oh. Okay, so little ice bucket, glasses. So yeah, refrigerator's hidden in this little cabinet here. It does say refrigerator on it. You've got some drawer space here. The TV's a pretty decent size. Coffee maker. Let's see, with Starbucks coffee. That's a little unusual too. Some generic wall art. Another lamp. Phone. Hold on. I do not see any USB ports, so let's see. Well, I know, but that's something.
Wait, is there one here?
Is there a USB over there? Nope. No USBs. We got bed, desk, little ottoman. I seen this online and thought it looked super small. It is actually a pretty big ottoman. Like, it's like 2 foot by 2 foot. Little seat, and then the view outside. So this is the best part. Other than the fact that it's close to Disney, and they do have a free shuttle that will take you to all the theme parks, including Universal. So, got this gorgeous view. Very nice lagoon style pool with the walk-in entry, and got another pool over there. He said you could see the hot tub. I don't see it right now. Oh, there it is. It's over there. So behind those trees right there, and then there's the hot tub. So it's very, very nice. Weather's really nice here. And that's it for our room tour of the Sheraton Lake Buena Vista. We will see you next time. Thanks for watching, everybody. And if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the notifications. It really helps us out. Thanks.